not the vlog.
That's why it's slanted.
Oh, because the other way to the door. Hey guys, we're doing it. Okay, so just got my little area down here set up and it looks pretty cute. Feeling very happy about it so far. You obviously recognize all of these vases and stuff from my old place, but I thought I'd pop in a quick mention of today's sponsor, which is Vitruvi. I've worked with them many times in the past. I'm so grateful to be working with them again. Basically, Vitruvi is an essential oils company, so they have their stone diffuser, which is what you just saw me put on that I've had for quite some time. They're just quality sourced essential oils as well, so I use them throughout my days, almost every single day. They have just a bunch of really beautiful scents. I just put on their Pacific and mixed it with lemon as well, which I think just smells really good because it's finally like warm out today and it just smells like spring in here now. But they did just come out with 2 new scents that are both like very sensual, sexy, like very good nighttime scents. They have their nightcap, which is black pepper, blood orange, and ginger, which is just like very perfect for a cozy night in the winter and like kind of sexy, along with their velvet, which is similar vibe, but it has frankincense, bergamot, and amber. And these are really, really nice at night to have going, like in replace of candles, which I've been using a lot more, especially like when I'm laying in bed. Also, if you're kind of starting to look into essential oils and you're not sure where to get started, their co-founder recently also created a book called Essential Wellbeing, which I've talked about before, but it has so many different recipes, concoctions with essential oils for your home, body, face, like all of the above, which is really nice. So definitely recommend checking that out. I have learned a lot from it. And yeah, if you want to get 20% off your first purchase, you can use my code VITRUVIXJENNY, yeah, to get 20% off. So definitely recommend them as a brand. I am a really big fan and just gonna keep getting my life together. Hey, it's my new roomie.
No, it's new old room.
Oh, wait. I do. I think I brought it here. Okay, cute. That could be hot.
Wow.
A little shelving.
Little shelfie moment.
Put some things there.
You could have a shrine of me and then turn the light on it.
Alright guys, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. We are in the process of getting my new home all together. It's been a few days since I picked up the vlog. I've just been working on putting my room together, hanging up clothes, kind of boring things. Since I did have so much furniture from my last place, my new room literally just kind of looks like my old room. Have kind of like rearranged some things, trying to figure out what's gonna work best. Our biggest plan of action right now is to pick up a big dresser to put out in this hallway, which is where both of our closets are. They're not actually in the room, but we definitely want like another dresser to fill the space because it is a really wide hallway. So we're gonna go to Dobbin Street Vintage. So we're gonna look around today again, and hopefully we find something so we can like get all of our clothes off the floor. Then we need things like coffee table. I need a nightstand in my room and just like some other little random stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully there's luck, and gonna bring you along.
You're gonna stay with her, you're gonna tell her every day what she made of, never get away. You're gonna clean it up, you'll be cleaning around the clock. Guess the girl's going, guess the girl's going, guess the girl's going. You'll be talking non-stop, guess the girl's going, guess the
Think about what you need.
Underwear, socks, and pants. Wow, where did you guys find this? Can you give me a vintage recap?
What does that mean?
Renegade.
Renegade.
That's for my library. I'm like, oh, you need a book? Hang on.
Girl, you got that gun.
Oh, okay. I see the improv. Okay, next day again. So yesterday was kind of a dud. We went to a bunch of different vintage stores, had no luck with finding a dresser, which is the one thing that we definitely need first. Secondly, looking for like a bigger kitchen table. So we did end up finding a kitchen table that I think we're gonna get that is in Astoria in Queens. So we found it online, which I'll put in a little pic, and I think we're gonna see that one hopefully this weekend. Maybe go use a friend's car to pick it up, which is good. Go on the hunt for a dresser. We're gonna like start looking online and stuff, I guess, and just wait to see if anything else pops up because they are a little bit expensive, so we didn't want to like settle on anything. I also went to the store last night and I'm slowly just stocking up on my like kitchen essentials, which is a big thing in moving, where you like have to restart your fridge, kind of like having all of the things I'm used to having when I like need to cook. So yeah, I've been trying to slowly stock up on that so it's not like so expensive all at one time. Today I'm just gonna work on like getting my room organized and spotless. I think our biggest problem right now is just having actual places to organize things. I already am just so much happier. Yeah, I'm feeling good in the space. It's been really fun so far. It's been really nice, and I'm feeling good vibes around it. I'll give you one little overview of the apartment. I don't want to spoil too much, but I'll quickly go through the apartment so you guys can see it. In this one, kitchen is my favorite part of the house. Going through a little run through, that's my table from my old apartment. We're still figuring out our recycling trash situation that's gonna work best. In here we have, am I gonna share this? We'll do a little clip. The bathroom, living room. The best part of this apartment is that it has such a large common area. This is the interesting part, that both of our closets are in here. So this is gonna be turned into, yeah, like I said, a big dresser, kind of like a mirror. This is where my work desk is. It's just cluttered right now. Isabel's room is in there. My room's in here. Messy, but we'll give you the preview. All right, the sun is coming in today. I love it. I think this is gonna turn into, I don't wanna say 3 parts, but the next part I'll probably create another video with like when we get more furniture and actually like being more thoughtful about decorating the place, because right now I think we're just trying to at least get it to look somewhat put together and not things everywhere, which is just a lot of organizing and whatever. So there will definitely be another part that will come along that will probably be more around like decorating. But yeah, thank you so much for watching these little series. I hope you enjoyed them. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer below. Again, if you want to check out Vitruvi, you can use the code VitruviXJenny to get 20% off. and I will see you in the next one in my new home.